Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Hulu account. Access the official Hulu login page step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type hulu.com and press enter to go to the official Hulu website. Check that the website address is correct and begins with HTTPS to confirm a secure connection. On the top right corner of the Hulu homepage, click the login button. If you are on a mobile browser, tap the menu icon first if you do not see login immediately. You will be taken to the official Hulu login page with the sign-in form. Click or tap the email field to activate it. Type the email address you used when creating your Hulu account. Click or tap the password field next. Type your Hulu account password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you want to confirm what you typed, use the Show Password option if it is available. Before continuing, make sure there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end of your email or password. Click or tap the login button to submit your credentials. Wait a few seconds while Hulu verifies your account information. If you are asked to choose a profile, select the profile you want to use. If you see an error message, recheck your email and password and try again. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Your Email or Password on the login page. Enter your email address in the reset form and submit the request. Open your email inbox and look for the password reset email from Hulu. Click the reset link in the email and create a new strong password. Return to Hulu.com and go back to log in to sign in with the new password. If you use the Hulu app, open the Hulu app from your device home screen. Tap Login on the app welcome screen to access the official sign-in option. Choose Login on this device if you want to type your email and password directly. Alternatively, choose Activate on a computer if the app provides an activation code method. If you use activation, visit hulu.com/activate in a browser and enter the code shown on your TV or device. After successful login, confirm you can access your account page and start streaming. For security, avoid logging in on public devices and log out when you are finished. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.